In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create storybooks with AI using your own photo, a must-see process for anyone interested in combining creativity with technology. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting project. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will direct you to Google Gemini's main page, a powerful platform that uses advanced AI features for a variety of creative tasks, including our focus today on crafting storybooks. When the search results populate, look for the official Google Gemini website and give it a click. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a welcoming interface that guides you through various features and tools available on the platform. With the website open, your next step is to engage with the sidebar, a treasure trove of options designed to enhance your creative workflow. In this case, Storybooks. Click on Explore Gems, which will direct you to a curated collection of AI tools and applications. Within this section, locate and click on Storybook. This option opens up a world of storytelling possibilities, allowing you to use AI to bring your narratives to life. With the Storybook feature active, it's time to personalize your story by incorporating your photos. Look for the plus sign icon, usually highlighted for ease of use, and click it to upload a photo from your device. This could be any picture you want to transform into a story element, making your project truly unique. Now that your photo is uploaded, it's time to craft your story's prompt. Think of a heartfelt narrative that you want to convey. Here's an example to consider. A story about a kid whose face is adorned with motivational words, illustrating his journey from guilt to redemption. This reflective tale underscores themes such as honesty and gratitude, emphasizing that true strength is derived from these values. After formulating your prompt, you'll see a Submit button. By clicking Submit, the AI at Google Gemini begins its work, generating a beautiful, unique storybook based on your image and prompt. This is where the magic happens, as the AI weaves together text and visuals to create a comprehensive and engaging narrative. In a few moments, your personalized storybook will be ready for you to explore. You can share it, keep it for personal reflection, or even use it as an educational tool. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks, a seamless way to merge your personal photos with AI-driven creativity to craft storybooks that resonate deeply. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to start your storytelling journey with the help of AI. Happy creating!